and welcome to Hubgrass Meditation. Today I have a letting go up meditation for you. So as always, to get started, find a comfortable position. You can be laying down, sitting up, sitting in a chair. It really doesn't matter as long as you're comfortable, and you can be comfortable for 10 minutes. And then also make sure there's nothing around to distract you. That way you can really bring your lens inwards and focus on yourself. If you are available to close your eyes, we will be closing your eyes for this meditation. But as always, if not, that's totally okay too. So before we get started, I'm going to explain a type of breathing that we'll be focusing on today, which is 365-degree breathing. That's where we're going to be filling up the front of our body, the back of our body, and the sides of our body. So a good way to make sure that your 365-degree breathing is to bring your fingers to each side of your rib cage, and as you breathe, start to feel that you're filling up the front, the back, and the sides. You can literally feel your body getting bigger all the way around. That way we're not just focusing on breathing into our stomach, our back, or our sides. All right, so if you're ready, go ahead and get your eyes closed and we'll get started. So as always, to begin, we're gonna start with just a few deep breaths in through the nose, filling up our entire body, and out through the mouth. One more 365-degree breath in through the nose. And out through the mouth. We're going to feel a little heavier in our seat. Make sure that our spine is alert. Roll those shoulders back down away from the ears. Relaxing our jaw, unsticking our tongue from the roof of our mouth, relaxing any of those micro movements around the eyes, and relaxing the forehead. So right now, we are in the universe of up. We're standing right next to Carl on this beautiful day. The wind is just barely blowing. You can feel the sun on your face. And Carl knows he has to get his home out of here. And his idea is a brilliant one. To get away from the problems he's facing, he's going to fill up a ton of balloons so that he can float his house away. And how amazing would that be if we could join him? And if we too could fill up a bunch of balloons and float all of our worries away. So as you're standing next to Carl, you see him start to fill up his first balloon. It's a red one. And as he's filling up his balloon with helium, you too are taking a very deep 365-degree breath. And as he's filling up that balloon, you are filling up your stomach, your back, and your sides. So we're going to take that deep breath. And we're going to hold our breath right at the top as Carl ties the end of his balloon so none of that helium escapes. He's tying a string around it and we're still holding our breath. And he's going to release the balloon. And as he releases the balloon, let out that breath through your mouth. And as you're releasing your breath, you can see that red balloon just travel up and up and up until it gets to the top. Now Carl's starting to fill up a blue balloon, and as he's doing so, we too are filling up our front, sides, and back body in through the nose. And he is tying it as we're holding our breath at the top. And this time as he releases the blue balloon, release some tension you're feeling as you release your breath through the mouth. Again, we're going to be filling up front, back, and sides as Carl is now filling up an orange balloon in through the nose. holding at the top as he's tying it off. And as he releases this orange balloon, we too are releasing our breath through our mouth. And we're going to take a little break as Carl takes a break to wipe his brow, any sweat off of his brow. We're going to head back to our normal breathing pattern. We can see those 3 balloons up in the sky. And as we're taking a break here, we're noticing any other tension we're feeling, if it's around the eyes, the scalp, shoulders, any nagging thoughts, feelings. And Carl's ready to begin filling up those balloons again. So again, we're going to take a deep breath, filling up our body 365 degrees. And he is releasing a yellow balloon this time, and as he releases it, we release some tension. Again, we're filling up a balloon in through the nose. Holding at the top as he ties off that balloon. And release. Now we're filling up a yellow balloon, filling it up 365 degrees. And this time we're going to let go of any challenging thoughts we're struggling with. They are not needed right now, and they're just floating up there with all the other balloons. Again, a deep breath in through the nose, filling up 365 degrees. Holding at the top as he's tying that string and tying the balloon closed so no helium escapes. And releasing that breath out through the mouth. Again, we're going to fill up our balloon. Holding it at the top as Carl ties it off. And releasing out through the mouth. And one last deep breath as we fill up that last balloon in through the nose, filling up 365 degrees all through the front, sides, and back. Holding at the top as he ties off that balloon. And out through the mouth as we release any tension. And Carl is going to continue to fill up his balloons. And we know he's about to embark on an amazing journey that's really going to show him what's important in life. And we're free to revisit this moment anytime we feel that life gets a little too heavy. We have a little too much tension, too many expectations. You can always join Carl in filling up each balloon and releasing those heavy feelings, tension as he releases those balloons. And know that when you get up out of this meditation, you'll feel a little bit lighter and be able to embark on a journey of your own. Now, if it feels right to do so, you can open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this 10-minute up, letting go meditation today. I hope you feel a little bit lighter, and I'll see you real soon.